Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE and I'm going to tell you how to enter the pairing mode on them. The first thing that I'm gonna tell you during this process, don't touch your earbud itself. So at first, open your case lid. Make sure that both right and both left earbuds are in the case. Once done, don't touch your earbuds anywhere. Hold your box like that, and now find this circle over here. Now click the circular button until you see, click and hold until you see this blue, red and green lights appearing on this LED light here. Now we are in the pairing mode and we can pair our headphones with our device. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.